So I'm going to go ahead and flip the hourglass and get started. Our main character here is Miranda. She's developed a new It's You technology. She's tired of all the two-step authentication, trying to remember passwords and all the other things that are currently involved in trying to get into almost anywhere these days. Today, I'm presenting the new It's You release to a group of corporate finance types to show them just how well it works. So what do I want? A flawless presentation and a large amount of funding. I start by opening the software and showing them how it works on me. I go to their website and type my name into the user name box, and the AI voice enthusiastically shouts, "It's you!" The people in the room chuckle, and the VP instantly wants to try it for herself. Perfect. This is exactly what I planned for. Tilt. I invite her up on stage. She types her name into the user, and then we wait for 1 second, and instead of an enthusiastic "It's you," we get a loud Beep, 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 beep. I feel my face flush as she shoots me a look and shakes her head. Not quite ready for prime time. A. Miranda, defeated and sighing when my boss shoots me a look of dismay. I don't even try to defend myself. We tested this on so many people in our office. It worked. We even had some people put in fake names to elicit the beep. Suddenly, I had a thought. What if the VP wasn't who she claimed? Then my software was even better than I thought. I went back to the office the next day and found that he was gone. Hmm. Hmm. I thought. I asked the president if he wanted to try. Sure of my theory. But when he entered his name, all I heard was another long beep. That's the wrap up of my story today.